This is a quick unboxing of the Epishine light harvesting kit. It comes with a data sheet that explains the features and instructions for use and the connections on the card, and also some performance curves. So it's a very light little box. With a quick note about what we get. So that this is not actually the production version yet. So we get to evaluate an early version. All right. It's got bubble wrap. And there we are. As you can see, it's a very thin, flexible little module. Has a super cap on it. And of course a solar cell here. That should be fun to investigate. There are more instructions for usage in here, including the output connections. And a business card for Jesper Nilsson. Okay, so that's what's in the package, and now we'll get to see if we can do some experiments to discover the performance of this little card. So the data sheet here says it's 65 millimeters by 81 millimeters by 3.8 millimeters, and this little gizmo will tell me how much it weighs. As soon as it self-calibrates, 5 grams. That's nice and light. And of course we have a curious onlooker, the usual spectator crowd.